Embedding a Miro board means displaying it directly on a web page or another HTML-based platform using an iFrame. Miro, a digital whiteboard tool owned by Realtime Board and now part of Scale AI, generates a special code snippet that you can copy and paste into your website's HTML, allowing viewers to interact with the board without leaving your site. Embedding Miro boards enhances collaboration by bringing visual workspaces directly to where people already work, such as websites, intranets, or learning management systems. This seamless integration means teams can access planning tools without leaving their primary work environment. One major advantage is reducing context switching. Instead of jumping between different applications or tabs, embedded boards keep collaborative workflows integrated within existing platforms, saving time and maintaining focus on the task at hand. Embedding also boosts engagement by providing immediate access to interactive visual content. Users can view, comment, and contribute to boards directly from familiar interfaces, making collaboration more intuitive and participatory. Finally, embedding makes project planning, brainstorming, and information sharing more accessible. Whether it's strategic planning, process flows, ideation sessions, or complex diagrams, teams can collaborate more effectively across different skill levels and locations. Before embedding a Miro board, there are several prerequisites to ensure a smooth process. First, your Miro board must be shared publicly or with anyone with the link access. Private boards cannot be embedded due to privacy restrictions. Second, you'll need a Miro account to access and manage your boards for embedding. Third, you need a website or platform that supports HTML iframes, which most modern content management systems like WordPress or custom HTML sites do. Finally, note that unlimited viewers on embedded boards might require a paid Miro plan, while basic embedding is free. First, open your Miro board in a web browser. Make sure you have access to the board you want to embed. Next, locate the Share button in the top right corner of your Miro board interface and click it to open the sharing options. Now, choose the access level. Select anyone with the link if you want controlled access or public to make the board openly accessible. This setting is required for embedding to work. Toggle the Embed option to On. Miro will automatically generate the HTML iframe code that you'll need to copy for embedding. Finally, paste the copied iframe code into your website's HTML editor where you want the Miro board to appear. To customize the size, modify the width and height attributes in the iframe code, specifying values in pixels. Alternatively, use CSS for responsive design that adapts to different screen sizes. The iframe code for embedding a Miro board contains several key attributes that control how the embedded content appears and functions. Let's examine each one in detail. The SARC attribute specifies the unique URL of the Miro board you're embedding, including an embed ID that identifies the specific board and view settings. The width and height attributes define the dimensions of the iframe in pixels, determining how much space the embedded board occupies on your web page. The Allow attribute grants specific permissions to the iframe, such as access to full screen mode and clipboard operations, enabling interactive features within the embedded Miro board. When embedding Miro boards, always use HTTPS for your website. This encrypts the connection, protecting both the embedded content and user data from potential interception. Miro has enhanced its privacy controls in recent updates, but it's still best practice to avoid embedding any boards that contain sensitive or confidential data. This minimizes the risk of unintended exposure. Consider implementing sandboxed iframes when embedding Miro boards. This security measure helps prevent cross-site scripting attacks by restricting the iframe's capabilities, particularly important for publicly accessible boards. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review Miro's official security guidelines. The platform updates frequently, so staying informed ensures you maintain the highest security standards for your embedded content. Miro has introduced AI-enhanced features through Miro AI, launched in 2024. This allows for AI-assisted diagramming and automatic content generation directly within boards. When embedding these advanced boards, the iframe code must include JavaScript support to enable the full interactive functionality. Miro's embed codes have been optimized for mobile and cross-device compatibility. By 2025, these codes support responsive design, automatically adjusting to display properly on mobile phones, tablets, and desktops without requiring separate mobile versions. Accessibility is a key focus for Miro's embedding features. The platform is prioritizing WCAG-compliant embedding, which ensures better support for screen readers and other assistive technologies. This includes features that make embedded boards more usable for people with disabilities. Miro continues to improve its embedding features on an ongoing basis. Future developments include enhanced APIs for real-time synchronization, deeper AI integration, and expanded accessibility options to meet evolving user needs and industry standards. Universities embed Miro boards in online courses for collaborative brainstorming. For instance, Stanford University integrated Miro boards into their Canvas platform for virtual brainstorming sessions. This allowed students to interact with visual diagrams directly within course pages, increasing engagement by 40%. Companies embed Miro boards in intranets for agile project planning. Tech giants like Google have integrated Miro into employee portals for agile planning, reducing meeting times by 25%. Boards are embedded in Slack channels for instant team access. Nonprofits embed public Miro boards for crowdsourced campaigns. Amnesty International embedded boards on their website for global volunteers to contribute ideas in real time, leading to a 60% rise in participation. Open source projects embed Miro boards for visual roadmaps in README files. The React Framework community used a Miro board for visual roadmaps, achieving 10,000 plus interactions in 2025. Additionally, businesses embed Miro boards to map out customer processes. For example, a customer order process board helps teams visualize workflows with sticky notes and flowcharts, improving efficiency.